Today we will start old method of preparation of mother tincture. We have completed a new method, that is the maceration and percolation. Today we will start with the methods of preparation of mother tincture, and among from that methods we will start with the old method of preparation of mother tincture. So according to the old method, drugs are prepared mainly by the three processes. First, by preparing mother tincture. Second, by preparing mother solution. And third is the trituration. By triturating medicinal substance with the sugar of milk. Preparation of mother tincture from the class 1 to 4th. First we will take because it is divided. These are the classes, that is the 1 to 9th class, and these 9 classes are divided on the basis of their moisture content, their solubility, and their nature of the drug substance. So according to that, we will see the classes. So the first 4 classes, they are divided on the basis of the moisture content in that. So these classes may be from vegetable origin or it from the animal origin, and we are preparing their mother tincture in the strong alcohol. So the product that will form by this method, that is the mother tincture. So first of all, we will see the definition of mother tincture. So mother tincture means it is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from drug substance of vegetable and animal origin or animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of maceration and percolation. But here in the old method, we are preparing this mother tincture by the different classes. This mother tincture is denoted by theta or the capital Q. The drug power of mother tincture, it is different in the different classes in the old method. By drug power of mother tincture, it means that the strength of that mother tincture. It means the amount of drug in proportion to its solvent. It indicates the proportion of drug contained in the medicinal preparation. Suppose, for example, the drug strength of that mother tincture is 1/2. So this means the one part of medicinal substance and the 2 parts of the solvent, that is the strong alcohol, we are using in the first 4 classes. Estimation of the strength of homeopathic mother tincture is important because depending upon that only we will do the potentization by the proportion of medicinal substances, which is represents just as the strength of solution or trituration is estimated by the proportion of medicinal substance in it. Second benefit is that we will get how much quantity of medicinal substance is present and how much solvent, that is the strong alcohol, is present. Drug power is essential is for the potentization because according to drug power, amount of vehicle and tincture is determined. So if the drug power is 1/6, that means the one part of mother tincture and the 6 parts of solvent. And for the potentization in the decimal scale, we know the ratio of the decimal scale, or in that decimal scale the 10, decimal means 10. So if the drug strength is 1/6, then we have to take the 6 parts of mother tincture, and to make it 10 we have to take the 4 parts of alcohol. It may be the dispensing alcohol or it may be the dilute alcohol. So in this way we will make the ratio. If it is in the centesimal scale, then we have to take 94 minims of alcohol or the any vehicle. So in this way, this drug strength is important for the potentization, and second, for the estimation of the drug content in that particular mother tincture. Then next question is, can we use this mother tincture as a medicine? So mostly we can use this mother tincture as a medicine for curing the patient from they if they are suffering from the various acute diseases as well as the chronic diseases with the mother tincture. Too rapidly, gently, permanently cure अगर हमको चाहिए, so we can also use the mother tincture as a medicine. uh, it is said that our vital force is a dynamic. So to cure that disease, we should use the dynamic medicines, and that's why we are doing the potentization. So if you are using directly the mother tincture, so this may causes the certain disturbances in the vital force. So Hahnemann claimed that the diseases cannot be removed by any other means than the spirit-like dynamic force of the potentized medicine. But further, because of the certain experience and because of the certain observations, he said that dynamic potentized medicines act through the nerves of the organism. So, if the Hahnemann's explanation is right and his discovery is infallible, then the claim made by so-called homeopaths are false. So, those homeopaths who are using the mother tincture as a medicine, so on the basis of the theory of Hahnemann, they are false. There is no other way to cure both acute and chronic diseases except through the dynamic potentized medicine or any other form of dynamic energy. So if you are following the rules of Hahnemann, then he said that the acute or chronic disease cannot be cured by the mother tincture because it is in a crude form, it is a material form. If the vital force आपके body में जो energy है, the energy which keeps you alive, the energy which maintaining the harmonious balance all over the body, the energy which from the cell up to the organ, it causes the energetic, or this causes the person life. हर एक सेल को वो बोलती है अपना काम करो, टिश्यू को बोलती है, ऑर्गन को बोलती है, and that's why the system is working, and that's why we are also working. So if that energy what we cannot see, if it is in a dynamic range, and if that energy is decreases, if that energy is damaged, deranged, then we should take the same thing to reactivate that energy, because similia similibus curenta is our cardinal principle. So according to that, एक जो है सिमिलर ही सिमिलर को ट्रीट करेगा, सिमिलर ही सिमिलर को क्योर करेगा. According to that, if your disease cause, क्योंकि what is a disease? That is a derangement of vital force. So if the disease is caused because of the derangement of this hormone, तो अगर आपको ठीक करना है वो लाइफ फोर्स को, वो लाइफ एनर्जी को अगर आपको ठीक करना है जो आपको नहीं दिखती है, सिर्फ आप उसको महसूस करते हो, then the medicine should be a dynamic one. We should not give the material medicine because it will not causes the permanent cure of the patient, but this only causes the palliation, or this may causes the temporary relief or the suppression of the patient. And hence, if you are following the rules of Dr. Hahnemann, then you cannot use it. But in case of incurable cases, in case of the certain high degree diseases जिसको हम बोलते हैं, because we are giving the gradation to the disease. So if that disease in the third grade or the fourth grade where we cannot cure that patient or that disease, then we can use some mother tincture. This is again a part of opinion. We will do. We will take the further portion of it. So we can use the mother tincture, and we cannot also use the mother tincture. Solvents which are generally used for the preparation of mother tincture, they are strong alcohol and a purified water, or you can take the glycerin also for that. So strong alcohol, almost all the mother tinctures are prepared with strong alcohol because it is a great solvent. No other solvent has this unique power as this possess for the extraction of the medicinal properties from the crude drug substances. And most important is that it is having the antimicrobial property. It will prevent decomposition of that mother tincture, as well as it will preserve that mother tincture in a proper manner. So if the strong alcohol, if you are using for the preparation of mother tincture, then you will get the two benefits. This will extract the medicinal property from that drug substance. Second, it will preserve that drug substance nicely. Second, we can use the purified water also in the classes 5th and the 6th. Some acids which are not dissolved in alcohol. So solubility that we are taking. So they are only dissolved in the purified water. And hence for that we are using the water. But for the preparation of the higher potencies, we have to use a dispensing alcohol. Then glycerin also, sometimes we are using certain animal poisons such as the venoms. They are prepared and they can be preserved in the glycerin. So here there is a one question to you. Some examples of the mother tincture or the drug substance which we can store, we can preserve in the glycerin. In this way, we can use the three solutions or the three solvents for the preparation of mother tincture, that is the strong alcohol, purified water, and the glycerin. Then we will see the different points by which we can differentiate the allopathic preparation of mother tincture and the homeopathic preparation of mother tincture. So in the allopathy, they made from dried plants, often from the introduction of the foreign substances. So they may contain the certain acids with that drug substance. They can add that means they are doing the combination. They are adding the opium also. They are adding the different acids also in that particular drug substance. But here we are using the fresh plants. We are also using the dried drug substance. But uh, when we are using the fresh plants, uh, then we are not doing any combination with that fresh plant. And if the fresh plants are not available, we are using the dried plants also, but we are not doing any mixing with that dried or the fresh drug substance. Second, allopathic tinctures are standardized on the basis of alkaloid or the glucosides, etc. But in the homeopathy, we are doing the standardization of the whole plant. We can prepare the tincture from whole plant, leaves, fruits, etc. As the case may be without considering the alkaloid content in the medicinal substances. So they are giving the more importance to the chemical integrity. We are also giving the more importance to the alkaloid. लेकिन we are doing the standardization. जब से हम collection करते हैं, the period of collection, identification, they are more important. तो वहीं से हमारा standardization चालू हो जाता है. But they are doing the standardization only for the alkaloids. Allopathic tinctures are generally reddish or the brown color. Homeopathic tinctures are generally green as they are preparing from the fresh plants. Sometimes reddish or brown when they are preparing from the dry vegetables. So in this way, there is a difference between the allopathic mother tincture and the homeopathic mother tincture. Now we will see the different classes for the formation of this mother tincture. Master Hahnemann classified the drugs obtained from vegetable kingdom. It may be sometime from the animal kingdom for the preparation of mother tincture. So depending upon the juice contained in it or the moisture contained in it, it is divided into the class 1, 2, 3 and 4. Under the class 1, the most juicy plant we are entertaining, and they are from the European origin. These plants contain the more amount of the juice. And fundamental rule of this class 1 is explained under the medicine belladonna in the Materia Medica Pura. So how to prepare the mother tincture if that plant contains the more or the most juicy plant, if that is, then we can see the preparation of that plant, preparation of mother tincture under the belladonna in the Materia Medica Pura. So belladonna में उन्होंने एक जनरल प्रोसीजर दी है कि if that plant contains more amount of the juice. This is applicable to the juicy but not viscid material and not contains resins or any volatile oils. The requirement for the preparation of this mother tincture, the drug that we will select, that is a fresh drug substance, and chopping board and knife, then mortar and pestle, spatula, that the requirements we know because we have done this practical in the lab, that is a preparation of mother tincture from class 1. Then what is the procedure? We have to collect the fresh plant, it may be the leaves, it may be the whole plant, it may be the bark, or it may be the root. Then we have to cut it into small pieces in a with the knife, and then we have to take the pulp of it, and then take a new filter paper or a new linen cloth, and the juice should be expressed by pressing it. Express juice हम लोगों ने measure किया था. Then keep it in a glass jar, and equal quantity of alcohol we have to add in it because the ratio is 1:1. So one part of drug substance and the one part of the strong alcohol. So once the 1 ml of drug substance you have added the 1 ml of solvent, then you will get the 2 ml of mother tincture. So if you want to calculate the drug power, then the total amount of mother tincture that is formed 2 ml. लेकिन इसमें आपने जूस कितना किया था वो पर्टिकुलर प्लांट का, तो 1 ml, और 1 ml आपने डाला था सॉल्वेंट. सो एक ही ml उसमें है ड्रग सब्सटेंस. सो द ड्रग पावर विल बी 2 में से 1, दैट इज द 1/2. यानी टोटल आपका मदर टिंचर हो गया है 2 ml, लेकिन वो 2 ml में से एक ही ml क्या है, ड्रग सब्सटेंस. So this drug power will denote or helps to estimate the amount of drug substance in that total tincture. Clear? So for the potentization, we are doing the potentization in the centesimal scale or in the decimal scale. So if the drug power is 1/2, then we have to take the 2 ml of mother tincture and the 8 ml of dilute alcohol. Give the 10 downward strokes and you will get the first potency in the decimal scale. Then again take the 1 means of the 1x potency and add the 9 minims of dilute alcohol. Give the 10 downward strokes, you will get the 2x potency. Similarly, in the centesimal scale, you had to take the 2 minims of mother tincture and 98 minims of alcohol. Give the 10 downward strokes, you will get the 1c potency. In this way, you can prepare the further potencies by taking 1 minim of first potency and 99 minims of dispensing alcohol. So in the first 4 classes, first is the strong alcohol, second is dilute alcohol, and then third one is the dispensing alcohol. So the plants that we are using in the first class, they may be the belladonna, then the Delcamara, Hyoscyamus, or it may be the Plantago major. If you are using the roots, we can use the roots of Arum trifolium, Bryonia, Cicuta. If you are using the bulb, then we can take the Colchicum. If you want to use the leaves, then we can take the Calendula, जो हमने किया था lab में. Then you can take the seeds of Avena sativa, and you can take the flowers of Cannabis sativa. So in this way, we can prepare the mother tincture by using these plants. Then we will see the class 2. In this class 2, the medium juicy plants are there. Now the moisture will start decreasing. They are also from the European country, and the rule of the preparation of mother tincture, it is described in the medicine Thuja in the Materia Medica Pura. This is was applicable to non-mucilaginous material which contains now resins and volatile oil. जो पहले नहीं था, अब इसमें class 2 में है. The ratio is 2:3 and requirements are same. Here again you have to take the fresh plant or the part of that plant, cut it into the pieces with the help of chopping board and knife. Then after chopping it, make a pulp of it, weigh that pulp, and once it is weighed, then add the proper quantity of the strong alcohol in it. The whole quantity of the chopped drug is at first moistened with the just a quantity of the alcohol necessary to bring the whole mass into the pulp. Remaining portion of alcohol is now added to the drug and kept it for 2 to 3 days. Once the required quantity of alcohol is added, then keep this mixture for 7 to 8 days in a clean and dry room. It should be away from the moisture, and then the tincture should be stand for 7 to 8 days. After that, you have to filter it and you will get the mother tincture from that class 2. Here the drug power, for the calculation of the drug power of the mother tincture, the ratio of the medicinal substance and the strong alcohol is 3:2. Or if you can say 2:3 if you are taking the strong alcohol is to medicinal substance. So if your medicinal substance is 3 ml अगर आपका आता है, then you have to add the a strong alcohol, that is a 2 ml. So once you have added, you have to keep these for the 8 days. Then for the calculation of the drug power, here there is a loss of medicinal substance 1/3. And the medicinal substance, if the loss in the medicinal substance in 1 cc, if it is a 1/3, and if अगर आपने medicinal substance 3 cc लिया है, तो एक में है 1/3, तो 3 में कितना हो जाएगा? So 1/3 into 3, so it will be the 1 cc. So अगर 1 cc loss हुआ है 3 cc में से, so कितना बच गया? 2 cc. So the 2 cc of net medicinal substance and 2 cc of the vehicle, so it becomes a 4 cc of mother tincture. लेकिन 4 में आपका net medicinal substance कितना है? 2. So what will be the fraction? 2/4. और 2/4 को ही हम लिख सकते हैं 1/2. And in this way the drug power will be 1/2. Again same as that of the class 1. For the potentization, again we have to take 2 meanings and 8 meanings in the decimal scale and 2:98 in the centesimal scale for the preparation of potencies. The examples are the whole plant that we can take in the class 2 is the Euphrasia or the Vinca minor. You can take the Mesoreum bark, you can take the Rustox leaves, you can take the Thuja leaves. Then the class 3, again the juice or the moisture content is now decreased. It is a least juicy plants that you can take. It may be the American or the European origin. The principle is the ratio or the principle is by adding the 2 parts of weight of alcohol in the 1 part of drug substance or the plant, because here we the amount of alcohol is increases because it contains a less amount of juice. Now we will see in the further classes the amount of alcohol will increase because the in the class 1 we have seen the 1:1 proportion because they are the most juicy plant. In the class 2 we have seen that drug is 3 and the strong alcohol is 2 only. पहले हमने लिया था proportion में, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा सा strong alcohol increases. Now in the class 3 it is again increases. अगर आप 1 part drug substance ले रहे हो तो उसका डबल आपको लेना है strong alcohol. क्यों? क्योंकि this is the least juicy, तो ये थोड़ा dryness के तरफ जाएगा. And to take out that alkaloid, we have to add more amount of the alcohol, and hence the percentage of alcohol now increases. So here the ratio is 1:2, 1 part of drug substance and 2 parts of the alcohol. Again, you have to take the drug substance. It may be from the plant or animal origin. Then you have to chop it with the help of chopping board and knife. Make a pulp of it. Measure that pulp. Add the double quantity of strong alcohol, and then keep that bottle for the 8 days in a cool, dry place. After this period, the tincture is then decanted, filtration has to be done, and then label your bottle by the name of that particular mother tincture. In this way, we are preparing the mother tincture in the class 3. The drug power calculation, again, in the class 2, we have seen there is a loss of medicinal substance, but there is no loss of strong alcohol. But here there is a strong alcohol में loss होता है इसमें थोड़ा सा. So here the net medicinal जो loss होता है in the tincture, that is a 2/3, and जो vehicle loss होता है that is a 1/6. So after all the calculations, the drug power is 1/6. If the drug power is 1/6, then again we have to take the ratio 6:4 for the decimal scale and 6:94 for the centesimal scale, and we can prepare the potency. The next class that is the class 4. Here the very less moisture is present, and hence here we have to add the more amount of alcohol. So here the ratio is the 1:5, 1 part of drug substance and the 5 part of strong alcohol. I forget to tell the rule that is explained of the class 3. It is explained in the Spigelia. So under this drug, you will get the rule of the drug substance which are the least juicy. In the class 4, it is a Spigelia and a Staphysagria, and in the class 3, it is explained under the medicine. Which medicine that you have to tell me? The medicine under which the class 3 is explained, that is your second question. The fourth is the Spigelia and the Staphysagria, because we have done this class 3 in the lab. So in under which medicine it is explained, that is your second question. The fundamental rule for the class 4 is explained in the Spigelia and the Staphysagria. Again, the procedure is same. 1:5 parts, 1 part of drug substance, 5 part of strong alcohol. Why we are adding more amount of strong alcohol? Because it is the dried part, or it is dried vegetable or the animal kingdom. Again, we have to do the same procedure, but here we have to, if your drug substance is 1 ml, then you have to add the 5 ml of strong alcohol. Keep that bottle for 8 days. After the 8 days, decantation and filtration we have to do, and then label the bottle properly. So in this way, you will get the mother tincture from the class 4. For the calculation here, again there is a loss of vehicle and a loss of drug substance, and the loss of drug substance in the 1 grain and loss of the drug substance in the 1 grain is 1/2, and the loss of vehicle in the 1 grain is 1/10. So after all the calculation, the drug power is 1/10. So 1/10 means 1x potency is ready made to you. You have to prepare the 2x potency here. So for the preparation of this 2x potency, you have to take the 1 minim of mother tincture or a 1x potency, and you have to add 9 minims of alcohol and give the 10 downward strokes. And for the centesimal scale, 10 into 10 is to 90 proportion. So in this way, we can prepare the mother tincture in the class 4. So this completes the first portion of the preparation of mother tincture depending upon their moisture content. So here the ratio is 1 is to 1, here the ratio is 2 is to 3, here the ratio is 1 is to 2, and here the ratio is 1 is to 5. So you will see that पहले इक्वल था एंड देन स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल की क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज होती गई बिकॉज द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट डिक्रीजेस. द ड्रग पावर इज 1/2, 1/2, 1/6 एंड 1/10. द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ड्रग पावर मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि वी कैन एस्टिमेट द ड्रग सब्सटेंस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मदर टिंचर, एंड सेकेंड इट इज यूजफुल फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ mother tincture. So in this way we have completed the first portion of the mother old method of preparation of mother tincture. Now we will see the mother solution. So in the mother, we are preparing the mother solution in two classes, class 5 and class 6. In the class 5 we are using the vehicle, that is a purified water, and in the class 6 we are using the alcohol. But those drug substances which are not dissolved in the alcohol, we are considering them in a class 5. But here also the twist is that some drug substances require less amount of water, but some require a large quantity of water. So this method deals with the preparation of mother solution in the water. So the requirements are the purified water and the drug substance. The requirements are very less. The drug substance we can take, those are insoluble in alcohol. So we can take acids and we can take the inorganic compounds. So here the mother solution means the drug which is pharmaceutically prepared. It may be from the mineral or it may be from the chemical origin. And instead of the strong alcohol, here we are using the aqueous base for the preparation of this mother solution. So the chemical drug substances are generally involved in the class 5th, but this class 5th is again divided into the two subclasses, class 5th A and the 5th B. Those drug substances which require the less amount of water, they are easily soluble and hence they are included in the class 5th A. And those are require the large quantity of water, they are included in the class B. This is only the difference. So what you have to do here, the one part of medicinal substance you have to, the less amount of water है तो हम इसमें लेंगे 9 ml of water. So this becomes a 1 part of by weight of medicinal substance and the 9 parts by weight of purified water. Shake it well, the homogeneous solution you will get, that will be your mother solution. So the total quantity will be 1 plus 9, that is a 10. लेकिन ये 10 में medicinal substance कितना है 1. So the drug power will be 1/10. So again here the 1x potency is relevant and the 2x potency by taking the ratio 1 is to 9. For the centesimal scale, you have to take the 10 millions of mother solution and 90 millions of purified water plus 10 downward strokes, you will get 1C potency. Here there is a second part, that is a 5th B, the drug substances which require the more amount of water for their complete so that they can completely dissolve in the water. So यहाँ पे homogeneous mixture form होना जरूरी है a large amount of water. So large amount means you have to add 99 millions of water. So one part of drug substance and the 99 millions of or the 99 parts of water you have to add there. The homogeneous mixture should be formed and then you can calculate the drug power. Here the drug power will be 1/100. So you will get the 1C potency ready-made, and for the 2C potency, you have to take the one part of the 1C potency and add the 99 mils of the dilute alcohol, because the potencies we are preparing in the alcohol that I have told previously only, and give the 10 downward strokes. So in this way, the drug substances such as phosphoric acid, calibichromicum, or the cuprum aceticum, borax, causticum, they require the large amount of water to dissolve. They are under the class 5th B. The nitramure or the drug substances like ammonium carb or nitric acid or acetic acid, they are from the mineral and the chemical source. They require the less amount of water, so they are included in the class 5th A. Now the 6th class. This class, the substances, they are dissolved in the alcohol, but some again require the less quantity and some require the more quantity. So the rule for this sixth class is described in the Materia Medica Pura under the UACM. And here they again the same thing. They require the more amount of alcohol or the less amount of alcohol. So the drug substances such as, again, they are from the mineral and the chemical origin. This is the fundamental rule of the 5th and 6th class. So the drug substances like benzoic acid, camphora, gluonine, so they require the less amount of alcohol to be dissolved. And hence here we are using the ratio 1:9. One part of drug substance and the 9 parts of alcohol. Make a homogeneous solution. You will get the mother solution for the 6th A. For the preparation of 6th B, the drug substances which are originated from the mineral and chemical source. So they are petroleum, lactic acid, or the iodine, kali iodine, creosote. They require a large quantity of water for the proper, so that they can dissolve properly. Or certain animal sources are also there, and certain nose holes such as the solanum. They require the large quantity of alcohol. So the ratio is again 1:99. One part of drug substance and 99 parts of the alcohol. At 10 o'clock. The homogeneous mixture will form. And here you will get again the 1C potency ready-made. So in this way we are preparing the mother solution for the class 5th and the 6th. The next class is that is the 7th, 8th and 9th. We are preparing the trituration here, because the 7th class they includes the dry insoluble substances. In the class 8, it includes the liquid drug substances, or it includes the liquid insoluble drug substances. And in the class 9, it includes fresh vegetables and fresh animal substances. So here we are doing trituration, because the dry drug substances we are involving here. And the rule for the class 7th, it is explained in the under the medicine, that is the arsenicum album under the Materia Medica Pura. So class 7, dry and insoluble substances are involved here. So if you want to do the trituration of those drug substances which are dry, insoluble, then you have to follow the rules of 7, and you will get the rules for the preparation of the drug substance. Here we are preparing the drug substance. You will get under the arsenicum. That this drug substance means it is again a drug pharmaceutically prepared, but those drug substances are involved which are insoluble in the liquid vehicle. But that is a strong alcohol, but they can be triturated with the help of sugar of milk. So this is under the class 7th. So class 7th, we have to take the drug substance which are totally insoluble in the liquid vehicle. That is a strong alcohol. So it may be the Nux vomica seeds, it may be the Sarsaparilla, it may be the Ignatia, and from the animal origin, it may be the Sepia or the Spongia. If you are taking from the acid, it may be the boric acid, citric acid, anything. So here you have to do the trituration. So trituration here we are doing under the centesimal scale or in the decimal scale. So the ratio is 1 is to 9 and the 1 is to 99. So again we know the process of trituration. We have seen it divided into the 3 parts or 33 parts and triturated for the 1 hour by using the methods that is the rubbing, mixing and scraping. So follow the procedure and do the trituration under the class 7. In the class 8 again the liquid insoluble medicinal substance we are involving here. So this class includes the medicinal substances again which are not soluble in water or in the alcohol, but they can be triturated with the sugar of milk. The procedure is same. Again in the centesimal scale you can use the ratio 1 is to 99 and in the decimal 1 is to 9. So certain venoms and certain vegetables or minerals they are generally involved in it. The petroleum we are taking the example because the rule is again explained under the petroleum in a chronic diseases. Then the class 9 generally we are not doing, this is discarded nowadays. This deals with the fresh vegetables and the rule is explained in the agaricals in the chronic diseases. Here we are taking the ratio 2 parts of medicinal substance and the 99 parts or the 9 parts of the sugar of milk, because it is said that there is always some loss by evaporation during the trituration, and hence we are taking 2 is to 8 or sorry 2 is to 9 or 2 is to 99 ratio. The examples are anacardium from the vegetable kingdom, agaricus, nozodes can also we can prepare by this method, and the animal origin we can prepare. So in this way, we are preparing the mother tincture depending upon their moisture content, depending upon their solubility, and depending upon their nature. So in the first 4 classes, we are preparing mother tincture by using the strong alcohol. But those drug substances which are dissolved in the less or the small quantity of mother tincture of strong alcohol or the water, then they are included in the mother solution. And those drug substances which are totally insoluble in mother tincture in the strong alcohol or in purified water, then we are doing the trituration with the help of solid drug a solid vehicle, that is the sacrum lactis. So in this way we have seen mother tincture, we have seen mother solution, and here there is a mother substance. So mother tincture is denoted by capital letter Q, mother solution and mother substance we are denoted by theta and O respectively. So depending upon the nature of the drug substance, we are doing the mother tincture, we are preparing mother tincture, solution or the trituration. The ratios are different in the first 4 classes. The drug power is different for the different classes. So here there is a 1/2, 1/2, 1/6 and 1/10. In the class 5th and the 6th, it may be the 1/9 or 1/99. And here depending upon which scale you are using, it may be the 1/10 or 1/100 because we are doing trituration. So if you have any problem in this, you can ask me anytime for the preparation of the mother tincture by the old method.